am Dr. Srinivas Prasad, consultant radiologist, Nisarga Diagnostics, Bangalore. In today's FAQ session, we will discuss what is NT scan and why it is important. The term NT in NT scan stands for nuchal translucency. The intention of doing NT scan is primarily to screen for the risk of chromosomal abnormalities. What is this risk? Risk means the possibility of having chromosomal abnormality in the fetus. See, during pregnancy, each pregnancy or each pregnant patient will carry the risk of chromosomal abnormality in the fetus, irrespective of the age, whether the mother is young or old or elderly. They carry certain risk of chromosomal abnormalities. So now, over a period of years, through intensive research, they have found that major chromosomal abnormalities can be identified during pregnancy itself. This was not the case about 20 years back or 15 years back. Those days, these chromosomal abnormalities were identified only after the delivery. Now, fortunately, we have a method or we have a process where major or most common chromosomal abnormalities can be identified during pregnancy itself. That is by doing NT scan and certain blood tests. That is double marker or the quadruple marker. That I will discuss in other video. In this video, I will discuss only about the NT scan. And this NT scan has to be done between 11 weeks 2 days to 14 weeks 1 day, and this is the window period. Before that or after that, we can't do that. In NT scan, what we do is we measure certain measurements like nuchal translucency, that is the thickness of the soft tissue at the nape of the neck of the fetus, nasal bone length, and there are certain other measurements we measure using ultrasound. Along with that, we record the maternal data like height, weight, BP, age, etc. And then we feed these data into a software which is being used throughout the world, and this software will calculate the risk of major 3 chromosomal abnormalities in the fetus, that is trisomy 21, 18 and 13. So trisomy 21 is Down syndrome, which is common nowadays, and 13 and 18 is also slightly common but not as common as Down syndrome. So in NT scan, at the end of the scan, we will get a result whether the fetus is at high risk or low risk for these 3 chromosomal abnormality. If the result is low risk, then it is screen negative, means so no problem, pregnancy can be continued as usual. If the result is high risk, then we have to do other tests to confirm the presence of chromosomal abnormality, because NT scan is only a screening procedure and the result will tell only the possibility of having a chromosomal abnormality. It will not confirm. So there is a doubt, there is a suspicion, and that can be confirmed further by other investigations. That part I will cover in other video. So the primary intention of doing NT scan is to screen the fetus for common 3 chromosomal abnormalities, that is trisomy 21, trisomy 18 and trisomy 13. This is primary aim of doing NT scan. There are other uses of NT scan also, that is Number one, screening for chromosomal abnormality. Number two, screening for preeclampsia. That is, by taking certain measurements, we can in advance tell whether the mother will develop BP in her later part of pregnancy, like in 7th or 8th month. By identifying this, if the risk is high, then the treatment for that can be initiated in the early pregnancy itself. What is the third use of NT scan? In NT scan, we can also predict the possibility of low birth weight baby. Accordingly, the treatment can be initiated in early pregnancy itself to avoid that. Then fourth use of NT scan is to identify major structural abnormality. Major, that is, sometimes head will not be there, whole spine will be absent, one limb will be absent, like this. So major structural abnormalities also can be identified during NT scan. So basically there are 4 uses of doing NT scan. First and foremost is to screen for chromosomal abnormality. Second is to predict the development of BP in later part of pregnancy. Third is to predict the possibility of low birth weight baby. Fourth, to identify any major structural abnormality. And please remember, it has to be done between 11 weeks 2 days to 14 weeks 1 day. Hope I was clear in explaining the uses of NT scan and the importance of NT scan. In next FAQ video session, we will discuss what are the preparations for various type of ultrasound. That is, how patients should get prepared for various types of ultrasound. We'll discuss that in detail in next video. Till then, thank you.